welcome to my channel K7 Therapies. I hope you all are doing well and my videos are proving to be beneficial for you all. If you are new here, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get updated whenever I post a new video. So in today's video we're gonna talk about hand flapping. I think hand flapping is a very common concern amongst parents, whose children are autistic or there are red flags for autism. So hand flapping is the repetitive movement of hands like this which a child does, whether to show excitement or to show anger, frustration, irritation. So basically बच्चा जब हैंड फ्लैपिंग करता है तो उसके अगेन इट कैन बी ईदर बिहेवियरल और इट कैन बी सेंसरी. या तो बच्चा अपनी सेंसरी रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल करने के लिए कर रहा है, या तो बच्चा अपना बिहेवियरल चेंजेस या उस चीज़ को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए कर रहा है, या तो अटेंशन सीक करने के लिए कर रहा है. So a child can do this sensory requirement, hand flapping when a child wants to not stay in present, wants to be isolated. अपने ही अंदर the child wants to remain constrained inside their own world. जब वो अपने ही एक लाला लैंड में रहते हैं या they are always zoned out. Present situation में they are not paying any attention and they are always in their own world. जब ऐसा बोलते हैं बच्चा अपनी दुनिया में खो जाता है. So that time usually hand flapping comes out because the child is seeking pleasure with that kind of movement. Other than this, it can be behavioral as well. So when a child does this, so it is either to grab attention or it is to just express his anger, frustration or irritation as well. So you have to be very peculiar when you actually observe a child doing hand flapping. So you need to observe very keenly that whether it is sensory or it is behavioral. So whatever the reason is, how you can manage this hand flapping at home, there are very simple tricks which you can use with the children at home. So number one is, whenever a child is flapping hand, try to give them a high five so that their mind gets diverted. And number two, the reason of giving a high five is, whenever you will give a high clap, high five like this, whenever you hit the child's hand, all the sensory input which you are giving will directly go to the brain cells and the child will come to the present situation again. बिकॉज जब बच्चा हैंड फ्लैपिंग कर रहा था वो या तो अपने पास्ट के बारे में सोच रहा था, कोई भी ऐसी मेमोरी जिसका फ्लैशबैक उसे आया एंड ही और शी इज़ थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट, या फिर वो सिर्फ एंगर या फ्रस्ट्रेशन के लिए कर रहा है. सो ट्राई टू गिव अ हाई फाई एज हार्ड एज यू कैन जस्ट टू स्टॉप दैट बिहेवियर एट दैट पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट. एंड आफ्टर गिविंग अ हाई फाई, immediately start pressing the joint like this. Try to compress the hand like this to relax the child. So this is a very basic and very easiest thing that you can do to stop hand flapping. Obviously it will not work within 2 days or 3 days. It takes a period of practice. So you need to follow this every time you see your child hand flapping. Other than this, try to give some kind of sensory input like putting the child's hand in rice just to give a soothing sensory input. Other than that, try to give him different kind of textures like grass mat, different doormats, and try to put it in the hand in the cold water or warm water just to give him different kind of sensory inputs if it is sensory. So for that you need to consult an occupational therapist just to make sure why is the child doing that. Also it depends upon the severity and the frequency, like how frequent the child is doing that. So that is also very important. So you need to be very you have to be a keen observer to make out that why exactly the child is doing hand flapping. So to prevent this, again I'm repeating, you just have to give a good high five with a lot of strength, as much as strength that you can put. And whenever you give a high five, try to give compression over the hand as well. So this is a very easy technique which you can follow at home. Do try it and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Also do like and share this video and do subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thank you for watching.